Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a rare event in the birds of prey world. In this video, I summarized 4 unexpected events and things from the behavior of birds of prey. Alright, let's get started. Angry baby bird. The fat osprey chick in this video is 1 month old since it hatched in late May 2021. I don't know how it all began. This osprey cub suddenly got angry with its mother. The baby bird's strokes were so strong that the mother looked in pain. The mother looked like she wanted to respond, but she knew who she was fighting. No matter what the cubs do, the mother will not retaliate as she would against intruders and competitors in the wild. Seeing the mother in pain, the fat baby fell quiet. Is the anger over? It seems to be over. This baby bird doesn't seem to get dinner, we can see from its empty crop. Maybe that's what's causing this fat baby to get angry. Actually, this fat chick is already sleepy, if in this equatorial region, it is late at night. Now we should just go to sleep. Still in the same nest, but in a different year. The mother osprey in this nest is again the target of her young's anger. At 23 o'clock, the osprey chick became angry with its mother suddenly. If the cause is about dinner, it doesn't make sense because the crop looks full. This bird chick is really angry. This is very confusing, because last year's incident is repeated today. Of course, this is very confusing, we don't know what he wants. Could the mother have been like this when she was a chick? Maybe so. When facing someone who is temperamental, we must be wise in taking a stand. At least that's the attitude of the mother. Even if the mother bird is provoked to anger, she will not attack the chick. It looks like he will continue to follow the mother until his punch hits the target. And it also seems that he will continue to attack if the mother does not leave the nest immediately. This baby osprey is starting to chirp, indicating that it's really sleepy. But the mother left it for a while, until the baby was completely silent. It's true, this fat baby is very sleepy. Of course, because it's late at night. The mother returns to the nest to put her fat baby to sleep. It's getting late, kid. Let's go to bed. Cancelled meals. These two osprey chicks are waiting for their father to deliver food to the nest. They look for the best position where the father will land the fish. And their father arrived with fresh fish he had caught from the lake. The chicks fight over the fish at their father's feet. But it seems the young bird is not strong enough to grip the fish. And finally, the fish was released so that it fell down the nest, then they could only watch it on the top of the nest. How unfortunate for these two young birds, they missed out on the most delicious dinner. Hopefully, the fish will return to the lake and be reunited with its family. These young birds are not yet strong enough to catch a live fish. Don't be sad, kids. You'll get it next time. Anything can happen in the wild. Daddy bird teaches chick to hunt. Here we see a bald eagle chick flying over the lake. It turns out he was not alone, but with its father. The father bird carries a fresh fish in his claws, then drops it into the lake. This is how the father got his kid to dare to enter the water. And sure enough, the chick stepped into the water and tried to pick up the fish that had been dropped. But the young bird was still afraid to put its feet in the water. He asked his father for help, so as not to put it too far out of range. Finally, the eaglet successfully picked up the fish that its father had dropped into the lake. The eaglet was very happy and ate it immediately. Teaching chick to fly. We see the father of the white-bellied sea eagle perched with his youngs. But it seems that they are being disturbed by magpies. Here you also need to know that if body language like this will appear when the bird is happy or admiring what they sees. Maybe she's admiring her handsome father. Today they will get a flying lesson from their father. They followed the father jumping between two branches. These two eaglets are about 3 months old. They look very happy and share their joy. Although in his childhood, the youngest had a hard time, being bullied by his older brother and starving. Those are some rare moments of bird of prey behavior in the wild. Hopefully this video is useful and entertaining for you. See you in the next video. Have a nice day and thank you for watching.